Today, data takes many shapes. As a leading manufacturer of CNC machine tools, Chevalier can shape key data assets into valuable intelligent products. Intelligence that increases quality and efficiency. Intelligence that solves problems before they occur. Intelligence that propels new flexibility and simplifies decision-making. Intelligence that makes your process better, faster. Put it to work to assure 2.8 billion passengers safer air travel. Put it to work to aid 341,000 wind turbines on the planet to fight against 637 million tons of CO2 emissions. Put it to work to further mass transportation to aid in consuming fewer resources. Build smarter businesses with intelligent objectives, operations, and individuals. Build a smarter future. Smarter machines built by Chevalier that transform data and ideas into products that improve our lives. Intelligent CNC machines that streamline your processes to produce products that meet exacting tolerances faster and more efficiently. Machines that combine the core technologies of AI and IoT to simplify decision-making, to give you the flexibility to build businesses with intelligent objectives and operations. Machines that build the shapes that will create the future. Chevalier Machinery. We shape the ideas that shape the world.